In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with HubSpot. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot account. Make sure you are using an account that has the right permissions to access both your marketing tools and ad settings, since that will help the connection process go smoothly. Once you are inside HubSpot, take a moment to confirm that you are on the main dashboard and ready to navigate through the platform. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, go to Marketing, and then select Ads. This area is where HubSpot manages ad account connections and helps you bring your advertising data into one place. If this is your first time setting up an ad integration, don't worry, the process is straightforward and guided. Once you are on the Ads page, click on Get Started with Ads. This will begin the setup flow for connecting an ad network to HubSpot. HubSpot will then show you a list of available advertising platforms that can be integrated. From that list, select Meta. Since Facebook lead ads runs through Meta's advertising ecosystem, this is the correct option for linking your Facebook ad account to HubSpot. After you choose Meta, a pop-up window will appear to continue the connection process. In the pop-up window, select Facebook from the dialog box. You will then be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in when asked. Be sure to complete the login in the pop-up itself, and if your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow them temporarily so the connection can finish properly. After logging in, you will be asked to review the permissions HubSpot is requesting. Read through them carefully so you understand what access is being granted. These permissions are typically required, so HubSpot can sync lead data, connect the ad account, and help you manage your lead ad activity more efficiently. When you are ready, click Continue. Choose the one that matches the Facebook lead ads account you plan to use with HubSpot. If you manage multiple ad accounts, take an extra second here to make sure you are selecting the right one. Once selected, click Connect. At this point, your Facebook lead ads integration with HubSpot should be successfully set up. From there, you can move forward with managing leads and keeping your ad-generated contact data organized inside HubSpot. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.